Hello everyone, welcome to Absen Service Training class. I'm a service engineer at Absen. This class is to bring you a demonstration of how to use flying wire to repair PL 3.9 pixels. The repair tools include soldering wire, tweezers, solder wire, enameled wire, and multimeter, anti-static bracelets, micro-carving knife. Now we see there is a pixel missing at the edge of the module. Firstly, we remove the corresponding masks. Use tweezers to lift the edge of the mask and peel off it gently. Okay, mask is removed now. Now we will need to figure out how to jump the wire. The two missing PCB pads are green and positive. The green signal can be connected directly from the circuit next to it. Here, the circuit below is the red signal. The red signal is good. The circuit is a blue signal. The blue signal is good as well. This is positive pole. We can connect the positive signal from the pixel next to it. I will teach you now how to jump the wire. After confirming the signal route, we need to use blade to scrap the green circuit. Please be gentle while scrapping. Don't scratch other circuits. We use solder wire to add some solder to the pad and the circuit we just scrapped. Retain a little bit rosin on the PCB for later welding. We will need to add some solder to the positive pole and the location where we need to jump the wire as well. This will help the welding later. After cleaning the PCB, pick up a new pixel. Use the two existing legs to fix the pixel first. Pay attention to the direction of the pixel. Ensure it's the same as the surrounding pixels. We add solder to the joints. Since our enameled wire is insulated, before flying the wire, we need to use soldering iron to add some solder to the wire first. Okay, let's do the positive pole of the pixel first. Weld up the processed enameled wire to positive leg first. Pull the extra wire to where we need to connect the signal. Make a corner. Then use the blade to cut the extra enameled wire. Use soldering iron and solder wire to iron off the insulation skin of the wire. Then take the processed enameled wire and solder it up to the leg. Now we process the green signal. Similarly, we need to add the solder to the enameled wire first. Solder the processed wire to the green joint of the new pixel. Follow this line and cut the extra wire solder to the PCB circuit. Okay, solder now is completed. Okay, now the repairs have been completed. we can test the module. If there is a dead pixel, lack of color, or other issues, resolder will be needed. If single color and scan lines work properly, then the flying wire repair is successfully done. Put back the mask. This flying wire demonstration is now completed. Hope the above steps were very clear to you.